Crypto Insane back again with another video. But before I start, I'm not a financial advisor, financial dependent or financial consultant. The information I display in my videos are for informational purposes. This is my journey. Anything you do decide should be based on your own research and due diligence. Okay, just a quick fire update of some of the platforms I am currently in. So let's get started. TronBet. Okay, TronBet is, still going along. One of the originals, still tracking along, still, making things, still providing a lot of services right now. If we have a look, they've recently had teamed up with apparently Binance on a charity poker cup, and I believe you can watch that again and go through the tutorials. So yeah, so this is just something they've done to incorporate the space with their poker game. So yeah, TronBet still is one of the originals, like I said. They're making games all the time. They seem to be improving things a lot. We'll have a look at the dividends. Dividends are currently still quite a lot for the anti-dividends. Yeah, and they got live dividends here as well. The live dividends are similar. So this is a TronBet live ecosystem here, working out well. So yeah, TronBet still going along, no problems. Dividends are getting paid. So let's have a look at Bankroll. Okay, so Bankroll have still going along. They've introduced a few more games here, something called Air. You can have a look on the website. It's an easy way to earn free credits by participating. Air is a simple way to say thank you from the Bankroll entire Tron. So there you go. More about it there. Every 1 hour round, a lucky player will win 100 Bankroll credits easily. Equal amount will be also paid as dividends. So they've got Air running there. They've got the luck game still running. You gamble, you predict, and it's all contributes to the credits. And they've got have they got daily? Yeah, they've got a daily game here. I think I've done an update in my last video. Not really gone into this, but there's more about how the daily game works here. So yeah, they got the jackpot here. Whoever's leading it right now, they've got credits, which I'm still in, still accumulating those divs, and you have the options to roll and withdraw. So Bankroll still running. Okay, so let's move on to TronNext. So even though TronNext was slowing down from the last video, the dividends are still a reasonable amount. So not much people seem to be playing this, but the divs are still there, and you're getting the divs paid hourly, daily, hourly, and then it tells you how much you're going to get paid daily. So it's still a reasonable amount here. I don't know if they've done any improvements on any of the games, but yes, TronNext is still chopping along with that one. Okay, so what I want to show you next is this platform here, Blaze Economy. So like I was explaining last time in the previous video, it's done by they have the King's game and they have the point of exchange rate game here as well. So if you want to bet 100 Tron, for example, you bet on that, whether it's high or low, and you are paid accordingly. This for me still, I've got 12 Blaze tokens frozen here, not much, but it's still paying dividends. As you can see here, dividends accumulated here. It's still quite a lot of Tron there in the contract. A lot of people are still playing this and taking advantage really of the exchange part of this game. When the exchange rate reaches 1, people are usually selling and gaining their profits. Next up I want to talk about is Tron Wow. So Tron Wow has changed their interface. They've actually introduced a new game called Tron Pump, I believe. But if we have a look here, I've still got a certain amount of Tron Wow tokens here. So I'm actually, you need to freeze them out to be a node. And what you can see up here, the new game Pump will be live, which is already gone live. So anyone that is holding, all node players in WoW, which is myself, you can enjoy an extra 2% pump dividend. So if we just go to home here, we will see here's the Tron Pump game that's incorporated with Tron Wow. It's basically a dice rolling game once again. We've got the legend here. I don't pronounce his name, but he was kind of #1 on Tron Wow. There's a lot of people still playing this, and anyone who holds Wow, that's a node, will get extra dividends in this. So I've played a little bit of this, not too much. We're getting dividends every day. There's some to withdraw, and that's how much pump tokens I have. So this is Tron Pump with Tron Wow. Okay, so let me bring you another platform now, which is not related to Litecash Ltd is one I was in as well. But that is one I'll bring you an update about later on this. Okay, my passive trade. This is the one I'm supposed to show you. My passive trade is still going on. For people that don't know about this one, it's ad based site which is paying you over 1% a day in ad packs. You buy your ad packs and you're getting your return. So at the moment, I did start out originally with about $500. I've taken this to $700 now. I've withdrawn. Testing works. A lot of people are saying this works as well, and I have a balance here which I can withdraw. And the good thing about this, if you're in any other platforms, you can purchase advertising, buy ad credits, and advertise your banners here. So this is my passive trades still going along. It's not related to Tron at all. This is more a passive earning platform. Okay, what I want to show you as well is next up is one of the platforms that I've done earlier in the YouTube video is the bots. So the Lucy bot, which I am currently in, this is paying. This is paying. I mean, I got in this, I believe, last week. I've been I've been withdrawing, and it's paying the percentage. It said it would pay 10% a day, which is this is a good thing. I mean, I don't know how long this bot will last me 10%. It seems to be, you know, not that sustainable in the long run, but as long as it's paying, you know, it is doing its, you know, doing its thing. I mean, this is you know, quite a good bot. There are some others out there which you know, are doing similar things, but yeah, the Lucy bot is very good at the moment. Yeah, so you know, that's an update on you know, some of these platforms that I'm in. I mean, I've probably been in other things as well, but I just feel some of these ones are the ones that are still doing good and paying. And you know, obviously right now, you know, if we have a look on, all of these things should be sustainable, you know, dependent upon you know, the developers and what's going on in the background. I mean, as we can see, you know, from the markets, you know, as well, you know, we'll have a look at coin market cap now. We can see the market is still going up. You know, BTC is at $8,661 as we make this video. Yeah, I mean, as you have a look, you may come to this and see the price have changed, but you know, this weekend, this is the price. It's looking to probably go higher than this. We did have a pullback, but yeah, I mean, all Bitcoin price should contribute to this crypto market ecosystem now. And you know, there's a lot going on out there in this market. So yeah, just a quick fire update on some of the stuff I'm in. I mean, if there's something I've missed, let me know in the comments, and yeah, I'll get back to you. Yeah, and as I said, links are in the description, and please subscribe, it helps. Hit the like button, turn on post notifications, and thank you. Peace.